I'm going to be sharing with you today this keyless entry smart door lock. Now this has some really cool features that I definitely want to go over. And if you notice behind me right here, this is my little everyday carry tray. So as soon as I walk into the office, I usually just throw my keys in there. So if I ever lock myself out, if I walk out, I'm out of luck. But having something like this is a really cool feature, especially since I can use a passcode, I can use my fingerprint, and if I have my phone on me, I can also unlock it that way. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and do a quick unboxing, go over some of the features with you and show you how it works with the app. Now I do want to mention that I've actually already opened this up because I was just curious to see what it looks like and how you use it. You will need to have some batteries in order for this to work, but for the most part this is really straightforward and easy to set up. As you can see here, it's fully unboxed, and it's nice that they actually give you a screwdriver because there's going to be a time where you're going to need to use it. Now as far as the installation goes, again, this is pretty straightforward. They give you the little template so you can use on the door so you know exactly which side you're going to be using here. And then also you have all the extra features here. The key is inside here. We got to open up the key so you can take a look. This is what you can be using. Again, this is just for emergency purposes because this is smart key operated, but this right here will go inside the handle on this side here. So this is where it fits in. So that's where you would put this in right here. So you see where the key goes. So that's, again, this is something if you were to, for some reason your battery ran out or whatever, you need to get emergency, you need to get in, that's your extra key. But as far as this setting up here, again, this is, you just set this up, you just screw this into the location where you need to on the door. Let's take a look here, a little button on top. And this is where you would actually put the batteries, I believe, on this side here. All right, so USB-C charging, get the charging right here so you can charge it up. All right, very good. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna start taking it apart, and I got some batteries here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and let's see what it looks like on the door with the app. So what I'm gonna show you here, this is the handle. I opened it up. This does take 4 AAA batteries.